Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Worthless JPEG Redditor turns NFT criticism into NFTs. One Reddit user collected quotes from NFT haters on the internet and famous skeptics like Warren Buffett, Peter Schiff, and Dan Olson. Redditor made it his mission to turn the tides on non-fungible token critics by minting a collection using the top anti-NFT comments they found on the internet. In a Reddit post, user Bastarulus introduced the NFT collection titled Worthless JPEGs in an attempt to bring entertainment to crypto enthusiasts while critics of the spec are rejoicing during the crypto winter. The Redditor collected quotes from Redditors and famous critics like Warren Buffett, Peter Schiff, and Dan Olson and minted them as NFTs. Additionally, the Redditor said that this is a move that documents the short hatred that the blockchain space is getting and mock the non-believers. They wrote, according to the Redditor, the quotes come with a signature that pays homage to what they describe as the trolling that is very common in our blockchain ecosystem. Apart from this, they note that the non-fungible tokens also contain hidden Easter eggs that point to the Ethereum blockchain. Lastly, the creator of the NFT collection also claimed that they are following expert advice to build during the bear market. They say to build something during the bear market, so I did, they wrote. As the bear market continues, unique NFT projects are popping up within the space. Earlier in August, Google's artificial intelligence software was used to reimagine board app Yacht Club NFTs into machine-made abstract paintings. The project was called Monk, combining technology with art, according to its creators. In a recent interview with Cointelegraph, NFT expert Ahren Postumus highlighted that it's a good time to purchase NFTs while the prices are down. However, the expert urged investors to be vigilant to choosing which project to invest in. One Reddit user collected quotes from NFT haters on the internet and famous skeptics like Warren Buffett, Peter Schiff, and Dan Olson. Redditor made it his mission to turn the tides on non-fungible token critics by minting a collection using the top anti-NFT comments they found on the internet. In a Reddit post, user Bastarolus introduced the NFT collection titled Worthless JPEGs in an attempt to bring entertainment to crypto enthusiasts while critics of the spec are rejoicing during the crypto winter. The Redditor collected quotes from Redditors and famous critics like Warren Buffett, Peter Schiff, and Dan Olson and minted them as NFTs. Additionally, the Redditor said that this is a move that documents the sheer hatred that the blockchain space is getting and mock.
So, thank you very much. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.